Welcome back, guys, to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be installing something. It's going to be painting the G35 Grill. I'm here with David. Say hi, David. We're going to paint the grill today. If you guys know how the G35 grills are, it's basically this like darkish chrome, and I'm going to paint it black. I have all the tools you'll need for today. I have my hammer, which takes out these plastic tabs. I'll show you guys in a second. If you guys don't know how to take off the grill, there's two little screws. I'll show you guys when I take this off because the lighting isn't good. There's two little screws you have to take off inside underneath the grill, and then that'll help you take off the grill. If not, you'll be fighting this literally the whole day. I'm gonna use the back end, and I'm gonna try to scoop these out because I can't find my screwdriver, my flathead. So to take off these plastic clips, I'm using this fucking hammer. Hold for sound. I'm gonna take these off, and it actually makes it really easy. I hope I don't break any, like this one. I broke it already. Don't look at that. You fold this back, and there's gonna be a little tab right here that you want to press in with some pliers, and this should just pop off. There's gonna be one screw right here, then there's gonna be another one right here, and it'll be attached right here actually. So right here's one screw, then you got another screw right here. These are the only two screws in the grill that you want to make sure you have off, because if you try to rip it off, you'll probably break the grill. Take off these two clips, which honestly you can pull as long as you have them, you know, pressed down. Just pull the grill out and it literally pops out. Why is it windy today? The whole week has been like cloudy, not even hot. You push them out, and then the emblem should come out in case you wanted to take off the emblem to paint the grill. So what I'm going to be using, I use this almost every time I'm doing anything cleaning related, is this super cleaner by Chemical Guys. It's going to spray it over and literally just wipe it down with a microfiber. Now that you've cleaned your grill, you want to have everything laid out in front of you, so that way you know exactly what you're going to use. And David just farted. Nah. First off, what we're going to start off with is primer. So I got this one 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. 100 grit sandpaper to sand out any rough edges that the primer leaves. We're going to hit it with probably a couple coats of paint. And we're going to finish it off with Rust-Oleum 2-time gloss clear. I'm scared. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start sanding. Hopefully it doesn't just come off completely. Alright, David, I want you to feel the grill. I'm done sanding it. I just used the 600. I don't know if I said that or not. I want David to feel it. It feels super smooth, and I just want David to confirm that it feels smooth. It's smooth, huh? It's really fucking smooth, huh? Yeah. I wanted to, you know, take my time, make sure that I apply primer, I make sure I sand it down so it's smooth, because I just didn't want it to come out bunk, and I wanted it to look really nice, like if it had gone, you know, to a shop and it had gotten done by them. Really happy with the results for the primer. So now we're gonna start painting, and from there we'll use gloss, and then we'll be done. We're at Red Robin, guys. It's not that busy today. The go-to thing is the Haystack Tavern Double. It's pretty cheap for what it is, and you get unlimited steak fries, bottomless fries, which is a plus. We did 3 coats of black, and then we're gonna end up finishing it off with gloss. So we're gonna let it cure for what, like an hour. I drove the car. I'll show you guys a video right now. Once we get out from Red Robin's, I'll show you guys a video of how the grill, how the car looks without the grill, and it looks pretty funny. We're back. And look at how the car looks with no grill. We painted this 3 coats of black, which looks pretty good. So now we're ready to go ahead and start painting it and putting gloss.
I'll take your car.
You can't drive it. Ha!
Who said I can't?
I did.
What if I break the clutch? You still have to get the fluid.
Oh yeah, funny thing, guys. I checked my clutch fluid today. I don't have any. Let's check it out. You know that little container has fluid in it. that works for your clutch pedal. Well, if you come and take a closer look at it, there's nothing. Like I can put my finger in all the way. There's residue from the bottom, which is that dark brown stuff in there. That's literally it. So I bought this car in July and I haven't checked the clutch fluid level, you know, because I thought they would check it. So I've been driving this car with no clutch fluid for a couple months. So we're gonna have to go buy. Can I talk, David? Is this a David show? Yeah. I don't know what am I just a guest?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Second coated clear. 3, 2, 1, boom. I think that looks so much better. But now what I really dislike is that if you look close, you can see the Infiniti logo isn't clean. So it's like a polished turd. It also bothers me that I don't have black housing headlights. So I'm probably gonna get the Spec D, the LEDs, because those are honestly the best ones that you can get that look the nicest. But the finished product did come out nice. It has been less than an hour since we've been done clear coating it, so I'm gonna let it, you know, cure for a little bit before I drive it and get a bunch of stuff on it. So now that is all for this video on the G35. Next video, I don't know exactly what's going to be happening, but stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new around here, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we potentially might be doing rims. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.